All right, we're back. Part 3, 24s. Rim plug giveaway number 5. Part 3, 24s. These are 24-9, 24-10 artist bullets made for a G body. The rear is a 10. The rear is a 10 wide. So you're gonna need to raise up the car. And if you want to squat it, you're gonna need a minor small frame notch. Minor small frame notch in the back. 24-inch Asantis, same way, 24-10, 24-9. If your car G body is lowered, you're gonna need frame notch in the back or raise it up enough to clear the frame. I have the matching steering wheel to that. Anything I have the matching steering wheel for, you're more than welcome to it. I'm not trying to be greedy on this giveaway. I appreciate you guys participating. Okay, back. 24s. Excuse me. Woo! Billet 3D. 24 Billet 3D. 5-on-5, 5-on-120. G body fitment, SS Impala, old school, C10s, all that. This is a 24 GS53. GS53s, 6 lug, dual drilled, big bolt Tahoe, and small bolt Trailblazer. 24s, GS52s, 24-inch GS52s. These are dual drilled, old school 5 lug Chevy, and big bolt old school 5 lug Chevy, 5-on-120, 5-on-127. What else? Anything I have, 24, go back over here. Then Billups, Eagles, dual drilled, 120, 127, small bolt, big bolt, 5 lug. GS, Boulevard 43s. I believe I have these in a 5-on-112, Mercedes, Audi, bolt pattern. See that little pattern? Really small. 5-on-112, 24s. Again, this is a GS44, 6 lug dual drilled, small 6 lug, big 6 lug. I'm in a little bit of a shadow, but that's a full polished 24 Trailblazer SS, Tahoe, Escalade, Chevy pickup. I think they'll look good on a lowered Chevy pickup. That's just my opinion. US mags. This is a 2-piece billet, 2-piece forged billet US mags. 2-piece directional, 5-on-5, 5-on-5 bolt pattern, big bolt pattern. That's a 24. Looking around. I think that's all the 24s I have. Let me double check over here. Stand by. This is a monoblock. There's a same wheel billet, and that sun behind me is killing me. This is a 5 4 3/4, so that is a G body fitment. The sun behind the window is really killing the look, but it's a brush face milled center. Volano. I got a Volano VTG G body, brand new, 24-9, 24-10. Volano VTG G body. I have another billet, Boulevard 42, brushed face, polished lip, G body, brush face, polished lip, G body. I already have I already showed you the Eagle. Those are the 24s that are in the giveaway. That's the 5-on-112. I already showed you that. Down to the 22s. The 22s, you're gonna get rims and tires and 1,000 back. Rims and tires and 1,000 back. The 22s that I have, they're all G body. These bad boys are the Boulevard 89s, G body fitment. GS52s, one of my favorite wheels. GS52s, 22s, G-body fitment. Boulevard 42s brush face. Again, these 22s come with 1,000 back rim and tire and 1,000 back on rim plug giveaway number 5. And the last set 22s is the polished 42 Boulevard 42 billet. I'm downloading the video now, guys. Saturday morning. The list is filling up. The list is filling up. So when this giveaway is full, we're gonna do number 6. Stay tuned. Gratitude. Good luck.